So if you saw my video from last winter, I'd pruned the apple trees back to an open framework of larger stems, just to leave an open goblet shape, which is really easy to climb and maneuver within the tree. It makes harvesting the apples a lot easier. So a year on, you can see we've got a lot of vigorous regrowth, which is a really encouraging sign. So this year, the job was about twice as quick to do. It was just a case of pruning all those water shoots back to about 2 or 3 buds to an outward facing bud. And that hopefully will lead on to a really good fruiting year for the apple trees. So this is the most vigorous tree in the orchard, and it's the best example really of showing the framework we're looking for. It's reminiscent of a set of antlers, which is branching and balanced and well supported. So this is the second, quite possibly third year that I've pruned this orchard now. So I'm really happy we've got it to a stage where we've done all the renovation pruning, we've taken out all the dead, damaged and diseased material. So everything there is really nice and healthy. It's a nice strong framework, so I'm not worried about the weight of the fruit snapping anything. And yeah, from now on, it will be a really quick and easy job once a year. And they should be really productive for a long time to come.